Okay, grade 10, let's quickly mark this exercise that I gave you for homework yesterday. Okay, so we started with the linear inequalities yesterday. Ons het begin met die lineêre ongelykhede. Okay, so ek het julle gesê, probeer dit approach asof dit 'n normale vergelyking is, asof daar 'n normale is gelykanteken in die middel is. Okay, probeer dit eers doen om x alleen te kry. Want dit is tog die uitdaging wat ons het, is om x alleen te kry. Okay, so wat ek gaan doen is, ek gaan al die x aan die een kant eers kry, hier by nommer 1a. So then I'm going to have to take the minus 2x over from the one side to the other. So it's minus 2x on the right hand side. So when I take it over, dan gaan dit mos nou plus 2x wees. Met ander woorde, dan gaan ek hê x plus 2x, maar dan vir my 3x aan die kant kan gee. Ek skiep nou so al vir stappe hier. Jy kan wys hierso hoe jy sê x plus 2x. Okay. Dan aan die kant het ons dan mos nou die 6 en ons moet die 15, die plus 15 oorvat. So dan is dit minus 15. So then I have 3x smaller or equal to minus 9. Okay. Now to get rid of the 3, I have to divide by 3 everywhere. So what you do on the one side, you have to do on the other side. So then I'm going to have x smaller or equal to minus 3. Okay. Then I draw my line, my number line. So my getalle lyn is dan nou getrek. Ek dui dan nou vir minus 3 aan. Okay. The sign, it includes an equal. So the dot is going to be colored in. So hy gaan 'n ingekleurde kolletjie wees. And it says that x equals or is smaller than all the values less than minus 3. So it's going to be all the values less than minus 3. So the line is going to move to this side. Okay. Next one. We first have to get rid of those brackets. So I'm going to multiply in. It's going to then be 4x minus 4 bigger than 6x minus 6. Okay. So then I have to get my x's on the one side. I take the 6x over and it becomes minus 6x. So then I'm going to have minus 2x because 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Then I have the minus 6 and then plus 4 because I take it over so the sign changes. So then it's going to be minus 2x bigger than minus 2. Okay, now to get rid of the negative, I have to divide by minus 1. Okay, so what's the rule? When I divide or multiply with minus 1, then the sign changes. Remember that rule. Make a note. Remember that rule. So I divide by minus 1, then I get 2x. The sign changes, so now it is a smaller than. Just note that the sign changed from bigger than to smaller than. And then 2, because I divided by minus 1 as well. Now I'm going to divide by 2 to get rid of the 2 in front of the x. So now I have x smaller than 1. Okay. Then I draw my line. 1. Okay. So this time there's no equal sign as well. So the dot will not be colored in. Okay. So die kolletjie is nie ingekleur nie en dis al die x-waardes kleiner as 1. So al die x-waardes kleiner as 1. In ander woorde, dit gaan na die kant toe. Okay, in ander woorde, x kan dan wees 0 of dit kan dan wees minus 5. Enige waardes, dan dit kleiner is as 1, maar dit sluit nie vir 1 in nie. Okay, by die volgende een, by 2a, hier moet ons nou ontslae raak van daai breuke. And to get rid of those fractions, we have to get the lowest common denominator for these two denominators. Okay, so Wat sal dan die kleinste gemeene veelvoud wees tussen daai twee? Dis definitief 6. So I'm going to multiply each term with 6. Okay, if I multiply the first term with 6, so dan gaan dit, ek wys net gou vinnig vir julle, dan gaan dit mos nou eintlik so lyk. 6 maal, of laat ek gou so vir julle wys. 6 oor 1 maal x oor 3. Dit gaan ons eintlik so lyk. And then if I cancel it out, I'm going to be left with 2x. Okay. Julle is welkom om daai stapie ook te wys. Then the next one, if I multiply with 6, I'm going to be left with 3x. And then I have to multiply the 1 with 6 as well. En 1 maal 6 is 6. So dan gaan ek nou hê minus x aan die kant is groter as 6, but then I have to divide by minus 1 to get rid of the negative sign. If I divide by minus 1, the sign has to change. So dit is al die x-waardes kleiner as minus 6. I draw my line. There's minus 6. It does not include minus 6, but it's all the x values smaller than minus 6. So it's to this side. Okay.